Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today we're going to look at the Artistro markers. Now these are really cool markers. I've got a little piece of cardboard here so we can try them out and see how they work. You're going to get this in a 2-pack, just like that. I'm going to set that down. And actually we'll just open up one of them for right now. You have a fine tip and we have a brush tip. So you have two different tips here. So we're going to open it up and we're going to try it and see how they work. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to use the fine tip. Now this is a white and you can see the tip. It's very finely pointed and we're going to test it. And it actually writes very nice. Let's go ahead and try the brush tip. There is your brush tip. Boy, that actually looks even more pointed. All right, guys. So when you go to the brush tip, it actually literally feels like a brush. Now, these are acrylic type paint, which means that they're going to stick to surfaces much better and last a lot longer than just a regular marker. These are actually fantastic. They feel great in hand. They feel like they have a lot of good liquid in them, and they give you two of them. So if you're needing a good acrylic marker set, this is the way to go. Very nicely made, and obviously they do a really good job. I don't think you're going to go wrong with these guys, so do yourself a favor, pick yourself up a set today, and we will see you guys on the next review.